Going way over by the rocks. Oh my God, that bird's gonna get it. Okay, I gotta remember that. 9:05. That bird was gonna come down and pick up my lure, that stupid seagull. I could start reeling and yank. I want to catch him. Peel all the line off my reel. 15, 16. There's that bird again. You stupid seagull. One of these times I'm gonna let you grab it and then I'm gonna set the hook as hard as I can. Get away! Jesus, this is crazy. They're coming right to my kayak to get it. Uh-oh, here comes another one. Man, they're fast too. Okay, I can't do this topwater anymore.
And I'll see you on the next video.